Hi everyone! Let's open the motorbike for kids. Place the vehicle on a flat surface. Remove all parts and packaging from the vehicle body. First, installing the rear axle. In turn, slide the wheel one washer into the rear axle, then secure with one nut. Repeat on the other side. Note: use two plastic wrenches, one on each side, and rotate in opposite directions to tighten nuts. Finally, snap on the hubcaps on both sides. Second, slide the front fork kit into the vehicle body. In turn, slide the handlebar into the front fork axle and put in one washer and one long screw to secure them. Finally, cover with a plastic cap. Install the rear wheel mudguards on both sides and the tailgates of the vehicle. Flip the car over, then secure the mudguards and the tailgate with 9 screws. Windscreen and two side mirrors assembly mounted in the handlebar area. Then install the footrests on both sides, snap them into the corresponding slots, and secure them with screws. Install the storage box holder and snap the storage box into the corresponding slot to secure it. Then install the seat armrest. Make sure the connector is oriented correctly to turn on the right-on toy.